Students, let me welcome you all for the second session which we are conducting. I hope the first lecture, what we have taken on e-commerce and e-governance, you might have understood. Now, let us understand some more concepts by which we can conclude step by step towards the chapter. Students, now let us understand what is e-commerce trade cycle. Now, tell me, what do you mean by cycle? Cycle means a circular activity. When you talk about a trade, some activities are repeatedly done. Now, when we talk about e-commerce trade cycle, we talk about all those activities which are repeatedly done into the e-commerce. Now, when we talk about this, we have to talk about the phases which are there into the e-commerce. The first phase in e-commerce is pre-sale phase. And in this pre-sale phase, we are going to prepare ourselves to purchase something. And this pre-sale is from point of view of seller. So any seller in his trade cycle experiences that when an website is launched for selling some product, the first stage before the sales takeover is the pre-sale stage, in which there are two activities which are done by the ultimate customer, and those activities are: first is search. He may go to your website and search for a product which he wants. So the search phase is executed over there. When he goes through certain items, he may see the prices of all those items, and he may call you on your contact address. He may ask for the details. He may negotiate with the price which is there. So in this pre-sale scenario, actually he is not purchasing the goods, but he is searching and negotiating price aspect, quality aspect, and feature aspect. He talks about everything into this phase to the seller. Thereafter, the next phase is, once he liked the product, he goes to the execution phase. And in this execution phase, he orders, place an order for that particular article or that particular good after negotiating for discount, after negotiating for payment terms, after negotiating for the price which is going to get, the service which he is going to get, and then he places an order. Once he places an order, the purchase order is prepared. And once the purchase order is prepared, he may be, his order will go to a workshop where they have prepared that particular article, and it will be reaching to the stores department of that particular organization, and they will check whether the article is available into the store or not. Once the confirmation is there from the stores that the article is available, the delivery note is being prepared to deliver the goods to the customer. And when the delivery note is prepared, the same time the invoice is raised by the particular selling company towards the customer. Now, the next phase comes is a settlement phase, where the customer receives the invoice. He may do an offline payment or an online payment, or it could be a COD, that means cash on delivery, as per negotiated into the terms and conditions. he has to pay, and this is a settlement phase where a monetary value is being exchanged for the goods which he has purchased, and thereafter the delivery takes place at his place. So the settlement phase covers invoice as well as payment. Now, when the goods are delivered, there may be a warranty or guarantee for that particular goods for wear and tear. Maybe a service which is being given by the proprietor or the seller to the customer to satisfy that he has delivered him a quality good. So he may say there is a 1 year warranty or 1 year guarantee of that particular article which he has purchased. Maybe it is an electronic good. So then he has, anything goes wrong, he has to preserve the copy of invoice, and he has to ask for the maintenance of that particular good or services which he has taken. And the seller has to keep a record of his buying up till the date of warranty or guarantee which he has given to him. And that's how every trade cycle has all these phases repeatedly going with every customer. So this is known as e-commerce trade cycle. I feel now, students, have you understood this e-commerce trade cycle?